Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Coffee and Cards with Michelle. My name's Michelle Zanovich, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Every weekday morning at 8 and Saturdays at 9, I get together with you here live on Facebook and do a little crafting to get our day started off right. Now, last night, I told you that I wasn't going to be stamping live with you today because I've got to run the dogs to the groomer. And for those of us who have not had a haircut since March, neither have my dogs. They're Shih Tzus and they are one scraggly mess. So I decided I would get up early and surprise you a whole hour early today. And I just realized my light's not on right. So hold on just a second. I'm going to transition my light. Okay, so that might be a little bit better. Sorry about that. Anyways, I am here. I am crafting in my jammies this morning, and I've got my cup of coffee, and I'm going to have a sip, and we're going to get started on this Well Done Casing Tuesday card. Yesterday, as you may remember, I talked to you about how beautiful this designer series paper is. And today we're not doing a whole lot with this card. It's very cute. It's very simple. I just put it together in a matter of minutes. We are using the Well Done stamp set for both the sentiment and these cute, adorable little fish that remind me of the Finding Nemo set. And we're also using that beautiful seabed embossing folder. Okay, so I've taken a piece here of 5 1/4 by 4-inch Pool Party and this seabed embossing folder. Now, when you use the seabed embossing folder, you're going to want to use that blue plate. It is the one that you're going to need. And I'm looking at this, and we've got some really lovely kelp, some corally things, lots and lots of seaweed and sea plant stuff. But then sneaking in, there's some starfish. Can you see? There's some starfish in there. And this is a beautiful textured. I mean, just lovely. You really need to have this. This is gorgeous. And it's going to really make our card pop today. Again, I am doing a whole lot of tone on tone today because it's one of my favorite things to do. So I have a Pool Party card base, which is 5.5 by 8.5, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. Oh, I see some people are joining me, even though I'm an hour early. I'm so happy to see you. Diane and Jennifer, good morning, everyone. And now I'm going to take this piece of Pool Party. So it's really a Pool Party base and a Pool Party first layer. Tone on tone, look at that. We're going to add that to our card. So I have some seal here. Oh, I did. There it is. You know, if your seal gets stuck, and mine does, all you have to do is give it a little push with your finger until you feel it be sticky again, and you're good to go. Don't panic, okay? And it didn't quit working. It's just right there, and it just takes that extra little step. It's not a problem. Oh, got a little on my card, but that's okay. And I'm going to line that up. Okay, I'm going to give that a little bit more because it didn't seem to be quite as flat. That's our base. Next, I have a piece of the Whale of a Time designer series paper. And on the back, this is the one. It's got a school of fishes swimming here, and it looks like a pretty peacock. But this is a 3 by 3 square. Now, this is a simple card design today. It is Casing Tuesday, so this is following the sketch that's over on the Casing Tuesday card group. Over on the Facebook page, you can pop over there, show us what you're going to make with this design later. And I have Calypso Coral. Now, these little fish, super cute, and like I said earlier, they remind me of Finding Nemo. And so I'm going to make them like little clownfish and stamp them in that Calypso Coral. And because it's photopolymer, you know, I've got my Stampin' Pierce mat, and it's super cute. And I am stamping right on our designer series paper this morning. Okay? No need to get fancy here. We're just stamping. Oops. That one is kind of a ghost fish. Okay, I'm going to get up. I'm going to put this underneath here. I probably should have done this in the beginning, because I'm going to stamp off here. And then I'm going to put some up here. That one little one doesn't want to get inked up. Okay, we've got a whole bunch of fish swimming around in that seabed. And now I'm just going to add some dimensionals to the back. Again, this is a 3x3 square. All measurements can be found over on my blog later this morning, and it will be later, okay? Because I'm going to go pop my dogs over to the vet, and then I'm going to go through the drive-thru at Starbucks and grab me a specialty coffee. I'm just going to go get a vanilla latte is what I'm going to get. But doesn't that sound delicious this morning? Maybe an iced one, because it's hot out. So I'm going to put this right over here. We've got a whole school of fishes on our seabed embossing folder, on our Whale of a Time Designer Series paper. And next, I'm going to grab a piece of Whisper White cardstock and my Label Me Fancy punch. This Label Me Fancy punch is pretty nice. All right, so this slides in this way. I'm just going to give it a little punch there. And what would I like? I've got Pretty Peacock sitting right here. And my sentiment, super cute, hoping all your birthday fishes come true. I mean, come on. Very cute. Take your time. Michelle is great, Michelle is great, Michelle is great is usually what it takes to make sure that ink is soaked right into your card base. And you know what? Let's try something different. I've got my light Pool Party blend that we used yesterday that I didn't put away. Let's just color this whole thing. Let's see what happens. I'm just experimenting with you guys this morning. It's early. You're here with me. We're gonna do a little more tone on tone so it's not so shocking white first thing in the morning. Okay. And I have a sponge dauber that I'm going to use in Pretty Peacock again. And now I'm going to take this and just ink up my edges. Ooh, and I like that because this is still just a little bit wet from the alcohol in that blends marker. And that ink is going on really nice. Oh, that's cool. Oh, you should try that. That makes it look really neat. Oh, I've never done it quite like that before with the blends marker. Okay, while that's drying just a little bit, because I don't want to get my fingers all messy, I'm going to take some of this sheer Pool Party ribbon. Remember I told you yesterday? It not only is it sheer, but it has just a little bit of a sparkle to it. Whether that was intentional or not, I don't know, but it does. Oh, that was not good. I'm going to chalk it up to tying a bow first thing in the morning. But you know I can tie bows better than that. There we go. Honestly, you're going to think I lied to you about this ribbon. It really is easy to use. There we go. I'm just fumbling this morning. Wasn't the ribbon's fault. As much as I'd like to blame it, it was mine completely. Okay. Ribbon snips. Tie that just a little bit better. Okay. I'm going to put that right here, and I have just one dimensional on the back because this is already popped up. So we're going to put it on the right hand side, like so. Angle that the way you like, and then grab a glue dot and I'm going to put that right there. Hoping all your birthday fishes come true. Again, this is the Casing Tuesday card sketch, and all the measurements will be over on my blog later today, as well as more information on how you can get the Whale Done bundle or sign up for the July Whale of a Time card club. It will feature 6 cards using the Whale Done bundle, plus a tutorial for 12. So you get materials to make 6 cards, plus a tutorial to make just 6 more. Add in the ones from this week, and you've got a whole school of whale cards. Have a wonderful day, everyone. I'll be back tomorrow at 8, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.